Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and pick languages. And here we've got the list of currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language and we will be transferred to this full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically find yours and tap on it. Let me pick maybe this one. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the list. However, the English is still a main one. As you can see, the whole system is in English language. It is because it is still on the first position. We have to switch the languages to change it. So let me tap on this new language, tap on it and hold it. And now we can drag it to the first position. And wait a second, and as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, so it is unfortunately not that easy. Your device will not ask you if you want to immediately change the language. You will have to play with the positions on this list. So let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it and drag it to the first position. And again English. If you want to, of course, you can remove the languages from this list. Of course, you can add as many as you want, and you can remove them also just by tapping on the three dots icon here and tap on remove. Mark the language you'd like to delete and the trash bin icon. Confirm it, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.